Hello, I'm Chris. In this video, I'm going to show you how to move off at a junction uphill without using the parking brake or hill assist. And most importantly, in control, without rolling backwards or stalling. You might prefer this if you've only stopped for a second and want to move off again without a delay. If you're learning to drive a manual car, then this video's for you. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, then please do, as it really helps us make more videos like this one. Now, before trying this, make sure you're confident at setting the gas quickly so that the car doesn't stall. You'll also need to be able to find the biting point quickly too, so that the car doesn't roll back. Practice finding the biting point with the parking brake on, as you'll feel when you've got it as the rear of the car dips down slightly and the engine sound changes a little. If you're not 100% confident with the pedals, or if it's a steep hill, then I'd definitely recommend applying the parking brake. It's easier, as it allows you to get your feet and car ready to move off again, and it doesn't have to take ages. Okay, let's try some hill starts without the parking brake. I'm approaching a junction, and if it's clear, then I don't have to stop at the giveaway line, but I'm going to stop anyway to show you a hill start. Now, I could raise the clutch to the biting point with the foot brake still on, and this might work for you, but there is more chance of stalling, especially if I was in an older petrol car. Instead, I'll quickly set the gas and get the biting point before it rolls back. As you could see, you've got to be quite quick with the pedals. If you're not confident doing this, then just use the parking brake, as it's so much easier. Let's try another junction. When moving off uphill, you've got to make sure that you press the gas pedal, or there's a good chance the car will stall. You must also find the biting point quickly, or the car might roll back. But you could also stall if you release the clutch too high. Just raise it to the biting point, hold it for a couple of seconds, and then slowly release it. If the car moves off too fast, you can always lower the clutch to slow down, roughly the thickness of a pound coin, or raise it a little to move more. As always, I'd highly recommend practicing with an instructor somewhere quiet to start with. Don't forget, if you're not confident doing hill starts this way, then just use the parking brake. Let's do another one. Off the brake, gas, biting point, feet steady for a couple of seconds, more gas as the clutch slowly comes up. You certainly need to be fast with your feet, but in control. You don't want the car to roll back, zoom off, or stall. Let's do one more, and then I will show you a different way of tackling these junctions. Don't forget to press the gas pedal, and then hold the biting point for a couple of seconds to avoid stalling. I'm heading back to the same junctions again, and this time, if it's definitely clear and safe, I'm not going to stop, as there's a giveaway line and not a stop line. It's tricky to see, so I need to creep out really slowly, using some clutch control, observe properly, and be ready to stop. Another junction, and again, I've got to give way. As long as it's definitely clear and safe, I don't have to stop, but always ready to. Clutch down, first gear, set the gas, biting point, feet steady. Clutch down a little to slow down, raise it slightly to speed up. Slowly release the clutch once you've reached walking speed. A lot of accidents happen at junctions, so make sure you observe properly. Look out for cyclists, motorcyclists, other drivers, cats, and pedestrians. Well, that's the end of our video on hill starts without using the parking brake. Thanks a lot for watching, and I really hope you found it helpful. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for our latest videos, as it really helps us make more. If you're looking for more videos on how to drive and pass your test, then have a look for our channel, as it's all free. And if there's anything missing that you want, then please leave a comment below, as we read them all. As always, keep safe on the road, and bye for now.